Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? Doing a little video here. It's Tuesday, April 9th, and it's ridiculous because we got some terrible weather today. I got trees falling over the place because of the snow and the ice and whatnot. I do a little off-roading and jumped a curb this morning or this afternoon to get around this tree branch that was in the middle of the road. So I jumped the median a bit, went around it. Doing some cooking. This cold weather is keeping me in. Didn't want to go out, so we're gonna cook some food here, and we're just gonna make this voila bird's eye Alfredo chicken. Voila, booyah. Contents: grilled seasoned white chicken with pasta and an Alfredo cheese sauce, carrots, broccoli, and garden peas. Not a big fan of peas, but it's alright. Pretty simple instructions. Can you read that? Maybe not. Well, it says empty frozen contents of both bag and the sauce pouch into a 10-inch non-stick skillet. Add add 1/3 cup of water. Cook covered over medium-high heat for 11 to 12 minutes or until heated through. Stirring occasionally. Stir and serve. So, pretty simple. I think I can handle that. I obviously won't eat all this by myself, so I'll probably end up throwing it in the fridge for another day. Got the heater going right here, medium, real quick. See that guy? It's on or whatever. So I'm gonna just fill this cup with water. Got the faucet. Just use tap water. It's fine. It's gonna get heated anyway. So 1/3. Measure at the meniscus. A little bit too much there. Will overflow, but it's alright. Let's see. I'll put some sauce in here. Some ham, not really sauce, but cooking oil, general, regular old pan stuff. So I'm just gonna use this pan here. Coat it real quick. Should be good. And I put this in the heater. Let the pan heat up a bit. Pull this back. Got my water. Got my lid. More lid. Let's go. Just zoom out. Zoomed out. Got there. So only inside this little baggie, we have we have a sauce cup packet thing. Looks like this. It's all frozen. Remove sauce from pouch before cooking or microwave. So you can thaw this under warm water, which I'll probably do as well. And I want my pan heat up a little bit more. Throw these guys on there. And I'm probably going to actually turn up the heat just a little bit more. It'll probably shorten the amount of time of cooking. I got my water, and I'm going to run this under some hot water. So I'm going to take the bag closed to show you. Pretty much the faucet. I'm just running it under there. I got it on full blast on heat. I think in my other video, my grocery video, I showed that my faucet gets hot pretty quickly. See the steam kind of rising already on there. Turn it down a bit. I don't want to melt the. That's hot. I want to melt the, what do you call it? Melt the bag. Move it around. Still kind of hot. You see the top layer is kind of melted already a bit on there, or not melted, but thawed on top there. So let that run for a bit. Let this guy going. The oxygen here. That smells good already. We got those guys in there. On a full blast high heat for a bit. Pour this guy in here. We add a little bit more water. So just like my oatmeal that I was cooking, I kind of go through like a kind of like a scent, or kind of like a look, I guess. I don't know. You just get like a general feeling on how much you need to add. So that there. All right. This guy. All right. So I'm gonna put this sauce guy in here. There's a hole in it already. Let me try this guy. There you go. Let's unwrap this dude. Maybe not. There we go. That sauce in there. The goopity goo. Good enough. Toss this in the garbage. Actually, I'll probably rinse it out. And that sauce smells pretty good. It's kind of garlicky. Smells fresh though. Look at that. Pan on top for a while. Let that heat up. Let's get a stirring utensil. Use this little spatula. Use this guy here. I'll keep this aside just in case when I add more water. But reason for rinsing this little package out, just so it'll save you some smellage or some reekage in your garbage. Because you have like dairy products, whatever, sitting in your garbage. I mean, we have our trash taken out weekly, but I mean, it just saves a little bit, you know, sanitary purposes, and keeps the kitchen smelling good. It's like the worst thing to have is like rotten dairy. So I'm just gonna give this a quick swoop around here. Rotate everything a little bit clockwise. This guy's got to melt. I'm going to turn this like pretty high real quick here. I want to get this sauce packet. I think this thing's supposed to be not like a block like that. I think I was supposed to thaw it a bit more. But that's alright. Don't always have to follow directions for cooking. I mean, it's probably recommended. But I've done some cooking in my time, and so I'll take a chance. I mean, I think most of this stuff already looks like pre-cooked. I'm pretty sure this is already pre-cooked chicken anyways. So I can try to break this guy. Maybe I'll take this off. I wish my camera was a little bit higher. I'll just hold it. So I'm just going to try to break this guy in half a bit. It's kind of bubbling. It's a little bit on the higher heat. I don't think my oven has, stovetop has any like numbers written on it. It's just high, low, And there's like a little dot on the bottom there, you can see. It's like medium or in the middle. Yep. Let's keep that for now. Let me keep this in here. Turn down the heat a bit. And let that heat up for now. And we'll toss this guy away. We're at 8:37. Maybe like 8:47 or so, but we'll probably take a look at it in like 5 minutes. I don't know if I want anything else to eat here. I can show you the weather outside. We've got snow, and it's in April, and it sucks. Let's twist this guy here. Okay. So if you can see, there you go. I have to zoom in a bit. See, it's all snowy out there and white. Looks like freaking what our March looked like, or early March. It's cold in this room. You see our grass covered in light powder. The street's all snowy and whatnot, and I gotta shovel the damn driveway. And we'll have to shovel the sidewalk, which isn't too bad. The driveway is the hardest part because it's the largest part. But it's pretty cool because it's all pretty smooth. There's like maybe like 4 dividing lines. No cracks, which makes it easy so your shovel doesn't get stuck and spear you in the gut. So take a look at this guy real quick here. How's this going? Oh yeah. Take a look at this guy. Since this block has come on down. Let me stir with my left hand here so I can hold this camera. I break everything out. These noodles are sticking. And the term for like perfectly cooked noodles is called al dente. You guys didn't know. Pretty much to test it, if you're using like spaghetti, people can sometimes throw it against the wall, and if it sticks against the wall, it's cooked. For this, you can use like a fork. Stick a fork in the noodle, and it should be like tender enough where the fork goes through it and it doesn't rip it really. It just sticks in there and stays in there and doesn't slide out. So maybe I'll do a test on that later on. So this is melting a bit. It's 8:40. I don't even remember the time I guess. Oh, instead you start putting that on there. What I'll drink, maybe I'll drink some 7-Up, some apple juice, or these orange juice, some Stella, this dinner wines, Moscato, fruit, might eat some fruit. Oh, got some buns, some Asian buns. My pears, oh that sounds pretty good too. Maybe I'll eat that later on tonight. I'm gonna see how full we are. Let's get some 7-Up. How full we are after this. That should be good. Try this out real quick here. Pop this off. The sauce is kind of boiling. Give it a quick stir. Take it off the heat. Turn the heat off. And since the sauce was boiling, it's gonna be, you know, it's pretty hot. To get that to boil. I'm probably gonna burn myself hitting that, like touching that stove. But that's that. Let's get a fork. We'll try it out. Oh yeah. Oh, that guy fell out, but they're pretty good. Just wiggling to get them out of there. But definitely ready. Plate this guy. How much I'll eat of this? It's not too bad. Decent amount. Do this right here. Get the pan. And get a spoonful or spatula full, just like this. Bam. I could probably eat this. I could probably eat all this. Just in case I don't, I'll leave some in the pan here. I'm gonna put it in some Tupperware. Oh, that's cool. Some water, just hitting that. So do some dishes later on. This is what this guy looks like. And some more of the leftover stuff. It's pretty much just like 4 bites, 3 bites, but I think that's it for this video. Something different. It's kind of cold outside. See me there. I don't know, just something different, things I do. Alright, peace.